Hi friends, welcome to my channel Vishwajit Almighty English. Today we will discuss 10 important questions and their answers on Alfred Lord Tennyson. Let's start. Alfred Lord Tennyson 1809 to 1892. Question number 11. It is the second video on Alfred Lord Tennyson. Question number 11. Queen Guinevere appears as a character in a poem of Lord Tennyson. Which is that poem? It is the question. And the answer is the poem is Passing of Arthur. And next, question number 12. Queen Guinevere falls in love with a knight. Which is that knight? It is the second question. And the answer is Lancelot is that knight. Now I have to write the two answers. Passing of Arthur. Next, falls in love with Lancelot. Next question. Question number 13. Tennyson idealizes married life in dash. In which poem? It is the question. And the answer is Tennyson idealizes married life in The Miller's Daughter. The Miller's Daughter. Next question. Question number 14. Poem on the tomb of a Mughal emperor. The question is, Tennyson writes a poem on the tomb of a Mughal emperor. On whose tomb? It is the question. The answer is on the tomb of Emperor Akbar. A-K-B-A-R. Akbar. Next question. Question number 15. Poem on a city of India. The question is, Tennyson writes a poem on the city of India. On a city of India. Which is the city? Which is that city? And the answer is Lucknow is that city. Lucknow. 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 Next question. 16. Only alive knight after Arthur. The question is, the only knight who remains alive after passing of Arthur is dash. Who is that alive knight? The answer is Bedivere is that alive knight. Only knight after passing of Arthur. Bedivere. B-D-I-V-E-R-E. Next question. Question number 17. Tennyson portrays women as dash. And the answer is Tennyson portrays women as gentle and refined. Next question. Tennyson's Enoch Arden is dash. Tennyson's Enoch Arden is dash. What is Enoch Arden? And the answer is a narrative poem. Narrative poem. Enoch Arden is a narrative poem. Next question. Question number 90. King Cophetua appears as a character in dash. In which work of Tennyson? It is the question. And the answer is The Beggar Maid. King Cophetua appears as a character in The Beggar Maid. Next question. Question number 20. Parts in Maud a Monodrama. The question is, how many parts are there in Maud a Monodrama? The answer is, there are 3 parts. 3 parts in Maud a Monodrama. 3 parts. Now friends, I have to repeat all the questions and their answers. Alfred Lord Tennyson 1809 to 1892. Question number 11 and 12. Queen Guinevere appears as a character in Passing of Arthur. Queen Guinevere falls in love with Lancelot. 13. Tennyson idealizes married life in The Miller's Daughter. 14. Poem on the tomb of a Mughal emperor. On which tomb? Samrat Akbar. 15. Poem on a city of India. Which city? Lucknow. Tennyson's poem. Only alive night after passing of Arthur. Who is that alive night? Bedivere is that alive night. Bedivere. 17. Tennyson portrays women as dash. Tennyson portrays women as gentle and refined. Tennyson's Enoch Arden is dash. Tennyson's Enoch Arden is a narrative poem. King Cophetua appears as a character in dash. In which work of Tennyson? In The Beggar Maid. Next, parts in Maud a Monodrama. How many parts are there in Maud a Monodrama? There are 3 parts in Maud a Monodrama. I have already discussed all the questions and answers on Alfred Lord Tennyson. And if you are satisfied with this discussion, you have to subscribe my channel and you have to like, comment and share a lot. Thank you.